I'm Kennedy Amiaba, the principal of the college. We are grateful to our supporters, Ministry of Education, CENDLOS, Commonwealth of Learning Canada, for providing us with the support for this timely workshop, AI in teacher education. We believe that this very workshop should be sustained. We therefore request for the support so that other physical education in Ghana also benefit from this. AI is with us, it has come to stay. There's a need for us to appreciate its importance to actually improve teaching and learning outcomes of our students. We believe that with AI, if it is properly used, could leverage technology as far as unearthing some kind of hidden talent discoveries to improve our education of another matter, the economy. We are grateful to Professor Sapong, Fortunas, Nana Agabo, and the team for coming all the way from Accra to equip us with these timely skills. Thank you.